pretty much this woman proceeded to done me. She done me in the pharmacy, and all I could do is turn around and mind my business because hey guys, welcome. So I'm finally on YouTube. I'm gonna be doing a royal blue makeup look. First of all, I hope everybody is doing good amidst the coronavirus. So I just went on, filled in my brows, and I have a little story for tell you guys. Nothing too much. I'm gonna be using concealer and a little bit of foundation now to clean up my brows. I like to mix it sometimes. But the little story time is about the whole corona thing. So about a couple days before the case was confirmed in Jamaica, a few of my friends came over and I was doing some cleaning because I'm keeping some stuff for them in a room. So I was using some bleach and stuff to clean out the room. I cleaned the room and everything. I don't know if it's because of the bleach. Well, I do know because it's something that happens regularly where whenever I clean with too much detergent and bleach and stuff like that, my sinus will act up. So my sinus was acting up for a few days. I wasn't gonna go to the doctor, but because the coughing was getting worse, I decided to go and get prescribed medicine. I went to my doctor, got my prescription for sinus and allergies, and went to the pharmacy. Now the pharmacy that I decided to go to, because I said them cheap. Some of the pharmacies out here, them sell obiatins, island powder, and them something there. And them don't smell good, them thing. You know, the pharmacy smell very bad. But I said, because in the cheap. Went to the pharmacy now. In the molly bad. You know, we start cough. I start cough, look but you know, I try to keep it quiet and cute. So I'm like not to want my mouth, you know, because Corona there Jamaica, everybody move away like, man, we are do. I came out of the line, went to a little corner, coughed in my elbow, because I couldn't hold it in for so long. Coughed in my elbow, you know, tried to clear my throat a little bit, go back in the line, and I was at the front of the line. They already took my prescription and whatever, so I get through. So, you know, I move aside, go cough, and I really want nobody create an examen for me, girl. All I was trying, I said, girl, like, girl, oh, tell me for cough. One woman come to the pharmacy. She open her age. She open her age and pay things. They can say, there's a look at us enough because her hair blonde and all these things. Okay, brows are done. Eyeshadow time. I'm gonna start with some neutral browns in the crease. Well, kind of warm tone browns. Yeah, so as I say, I'm going a corner to cough. You guys already know where the story is going, right? This lady turned round in one very aggressive tone. And she's like, I'm them people, come another place, I'm them people. So I'm like, excuse me? I didn't cough on anyone, miss. I came out of the line and I went one side. I'm telling people, I cough on people. I feel like I cough on people's face. And I'm like, what? Maybe just turn around. Maybe just turn around back, you see? And don't fear no man. In a way, it's like I couldn't believe that did happen. So pretty much this woman proceeded to done me. She done me in the pharmacy, and all I could do is turn around and mind my business because I wasn't about to argue with her, especially seeing that she had created excitement for me for something that I did not do. She's accusing me of coughing on someone, and she was pretty much diagnosing me with COVID-19. First of all, I'm shocked. I'm shocked, very much shocked. And I never planned to argue with Chit. She came out of the pharmacy eventually, because when I was leaving, I did not see her. And I was very upset and I was very embarrassed. I was pretty much embarrassed with how everything was going, her tone, how she was speaking, the fact that she was using curse words while expressing her displeasure in my cough.
Can't cough. Nobody not cough again. Cough no come natural. You can't cough. If you cough right now, then run.
But as I said, I just turn around, I just ignore her. I assume she eventually just left. She wasn't there for long, to be honest, in the pharmacy, and nobody else was saying anything. The pharmacy was completely full. In there, did pack. That's why I even came out of the line and went in a little corner. Don't want to have anybody feeling some type of way. Nobody knows who have corona. Well, at that time it was just a few days with the virus on the island, so people were still being cautious, although there weren't a lot of confirmed cases. If somebody else was there coughing, I would try to keep my little distance still, but they said it was attacking me, and I never cough on anybody or anything like that. We take it for joke when we share the memes and everything. And yeah, it's funny for real. You see the memes and them some there. Nobody cough here or whatever. But this lady, you see, if she did run now, I could understand and would laugh. She take me on in the place. She do me real bad. I fill my prescription, leave the pharmacy, and proceeded back to the parking lot. Guess who back up on the road? Oh God, that Friday was just not my day. Never my day that. Back up in the woman on the road again. And so there's this little stall at my doctor's office, right at the gate, and of course the car is parked on the parking lot at my doctor's office. So this woman, the same lady, she's right under the tree at the stall, talking to the lady who's usually out by the stall at my doctor's office, and telling her, she told the lady, she's like, watch out, see the girl there. Oh God. She's like, see the girl there, see the look at the girl there. She, me can't really tell me, I'm getting my voice quiet. Of course, I can't replay what she did that be. Remember, she was also directing a lot of expletives towards me at the time. So just picture everything in your mind, and so yeah. So she said, and I'm like, don't pine for me, miss. Don't pine for me. Don't do that. You're rude. Don't pine for me. Don't tell me when I'm baby, see pine pine. You can't tell me from pine pine. That thing. Why? No. I want me do God. I want me do wrong. What me do wrong in our life? If you think she did do me bad in the pharmacy, out on the road in a Spanish town, Spanish town. Who me trouble? Who me really trouble in my life with this sir? The lady wants so bad. I'm coming. She's like, now look at the girl there. In the place as for that dirty virus. I said, if you cut me, you wouldn't find an ounce of blood. You would not find blood. Sha. I can't open this eyeshadow. Wait a minute here. Where is the brush? Where is the brush? So I'm gonna add some glitter on top of this now. Because why not? To be honest, you know what really hurt me the most? After she was there talking to the lady at the stall, there was this Rasta man riding his bicycle, right? She stopped the man and I go, I don't know if she know these two persons. I assume she know them. She stopped the man and I tell the man same thing what she tell the woman, and the man's gonna be like, young girl, oh you have to do that. I'm like, sir, come on, I did not do that. Well, me never really bother saying to him. Basically I just say I did not. And I'm there trying to figure out in my head, do I stop and try to have a conversation with this lady? Well, obviously she's not having a conversation with me. She cussed me out in public on the road and I drop people in it. That's not a conversation. But the woman at the stall, she was like, come here darling, come here, come. I never wanna move because I'm like, I don't want to go to war and then I go clock out. Like, come here Christian, so I don't want to answer the lady if you understand. But I'm not going to behave like I'm older than anybody else. I didn't want to answer her. I didn't really want to answer her. I'm like, you know what? This is not even worth it. It's not even worth it because see that? The man I got asked me say, oh, me do that. And him never did ever see me did meet or not. Foundation time. I'm using Maybelline Superstay. Currently my favorite foundation. I'll blend this out quickly. I will go tonight, oh Father God. I don't know if I want to add like light blue bronze in my tear duct. I'm gonna go with light blue first because that's what I had planned to do. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. I like this. This is a one. If you had that experience, like what would you do? What would you do? This is my personal lip gloss. Sometimes it goes straight on my lip. What would I do? Somebody, I don't know, like that in public, somewhere you never do. What would you do? This is cute. Where me I go? Where am I going? Where? Child. You finna look really cute for the husband tonight. Might as well. Nothing wrong. With the glass, without the glass. Which one I prefer? And this is it, basically. This is it. Yeah, we're good. For my blush, no. More. Oh, I feel cute. And I wasn't planning on keeping this head tie, but it does look workable. Because I wanted to do a different tutorial with this head tie and like put in some cute little blue, but can I speak or not? Some blue butterflies in my hair. I'm gonna do it. And you guys can just comment down below and let me know which one you think will look better. We can still do the tutorial with, oh, I wanted to put in loops, not these. I wanted to put in loops. These are my one shall I go ears ring. Everyone gonna wear them. These are my favorite pair of earrings ever. Corona, why you stay so? Why you stay so? Look how we could have go somewhere tonight, looking like a ass. Jesus. Why? Look how we could have go. Look how we could have go road at and wassy. I haven't a long time not dressed up my face nice like this, to be honest. Haven't done a full glam like this on myself in much less color. Long time. A long time now. My eyes are so red. That's my sinus again. Not corona. Sinus and allergies. Thank you. Thank you, madam. Okay. But yeah guys, this is the end of the tutorial and this is story time. I wish the story could have been more exciting. I'm not that good of a storyteller, but yeah, I did not make it up. I did not make up a word. Yeah, I'm good. I hope everybody is doing good. Keep safe, keep clean, and let's pray that this passes pretty soon so we can go back to our usual lives. Hey guys, if you don't know God, get to know God, because God alone can keep in them time here. Just imagine if something worse than corona hits me down the line. Let's hope that doesn't happen, but I mean the Bible don't tell about certain things already, so it is to be expected. That's just the sad truth. You guys do take care. Remember to like and subscribe. YouTube, like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what I tell the woman if it was you. Peace out, guys.